Standing in long airport immigration queue. What if you could skip all that in minute? Today, I'll show you exactly how to register for the Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program, also known as FTI TTP. Hi everyone, welcome to the Roaming Equation. If you are someone who travels internationally or planning your next trip, this video is going to save you a lot of time at airport. The FTI TTP is an initiative by the Bureau of Immigration that allows pre-approval travelers to use e-gates at airport and skip long immigration line. Eligibility to apply: you should be an Indian citizen or eligible OCI cardholder, have a valid passport, have no adverse immigration or criminal history. Let's talk about the step-by-step registration process. Go to the official FTI TTP registration portal. I'll drop the link in the description. Step 2. Create your account. Sign up using your email ID and create a password. Step 3. Apply and fill the application form. Select your nationality. If you are an Indian citizen, choose your passport type. Once selected, the application form will open. Fill the required details: first name and the surname, date of birth, passport expiry date, father's name and mother's name. If your passport does not mention ECR, select ECNR. For other passport-related options, you can select No where applicable. Enter your present address details. Read the declaration carefully. Then click Save and Continue. Upload documents. Upload required documents like passport copy, both the sides, and photograph. Make sure both of these documents are in the PDF form. Save and continue. Next, you can register for biometric at any of the 12 FRPO offices on working days or at designated international airports in India during your travel. Make sure to keep the generated QR code handy for the verification process. Hi guys, so we are at the Rajiv International Airport in Hyderabad, and we were actually looking for this FTI TTP. And if you want to know more about it, it's very easy. You can just have to put an application, and it took like around 30 seconds for us to do everything. They just took us the biometric and the photograph from us. It's a fast track immigration trusted traveler program, so it doesn't take much of a time, so you can guys come. And since we did have a little bit of time, so we just went for it. And although we got to know that our immigration is not going to happen from here, so we have to go in a different queue. But if you see that the queue is kind of really big on the other side, and if you could see that FTI TTP one, it doesn't have much people around. So if you want to navigate, it's easy that you can come from the gate number 10, which is on that side. And just as you enter from the gate number 10, or if you can go towards gate number 10, you'll see that side of it where there is the immigration counter and nobody's there. So you guys should try it because it's a very good initiative. Thank you so much. Next step, background verification. Your application will go through verification by authorities. Processing time. Approval usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks, so apply in advance before you travel. Important tips: ensure all details match your passport, double check documents before submissions, apply at least 1 week before you travel. And that's it. Once approved, you can literally walk through the immigration using e-gate like a pro traveler. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel tips. Comment below if you're already applied or if you have any doubts. I'll help you out. See you again.